Okay. Today I'm going for a short ride because for this afternoon the weather forecast gives snow on the roads, and I don't like to ride with snow on the roads, so I took the opportunity to make a short ride now. It's quite cold. It's almost freezing. But with the handlebar heating on, it's not too bad. I've got a good warm jacket and motorcycle trousers over my jeans, so it's not too cold. I try to ride all year round, not only in summer but always. Except when there is snow and ice on the road, that's too slippery for me. I'm on the new, well, not so new, a few years old circle road around our village. First, all traffic was going right through our village, traffic that was going to Belgium, etc. And now there's a road around it. I think I will order handguards for my handlebars to keep my hands out of the wind. I think that's more comfortable in the winter time. In combination with handlebar heating. I'm glad I can ride now. With my old Goldwing that I used to have, it was a classic, and then the insurance and the road tax was very cheap, but the downside was that in December, January, February you were not allowed to ride it, and on a nice day in January it's a shame to leave the bike in the garage. But this is a newer bike, well, not so new, it's 25 years old, but it's not a real classic, so I can ride it year round. So, riding into Huibergen now, unfortunately behind some cars. Church of Huibergen. The statue right in front of me, that's the goat of Huibergen. De zaligheid. Hier is de windmill of Huibergen. My thumbs are getting cold. The rest of my hand is warm because of the handlebar heating, but my thumbs are sticking out, so I really need hand guards to shield them from the wind. I hope this van is not going in the same direction as I want. If so, I go in another direction. I don't want to ride behind that van all the time. It's going to the right. Great. To speed up a little bit. It's a shame we have a lockdown, so there's nowhere a place to get a warm coffee. Would be nice in this cold weather. Wait with the coffee until I'm home again. I said it before and I have to say it again. I'm so happy that I live in this area with fields and forests and not in the big city anymore. I used to live in The Hague, where the government is, and it's a nice place to live, but I prefer this area. I don't like to live in the city. You have to ride half an hour in busy streets before you can see some nature. And here I ride 5 minutes and I'm in the forest. I think I go to the right here. No bicycles. Okay. It's so beautiful here. Go to the left and then I ride past the Stay OK hotel, if I can get past that tractor. It's narrow. Okay, I managed to pass them. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Working hard and maintaining the forest, I think. I see. They're working on the ditch besides the road. cleaning it. I'm getting cold fingers. Next time I have to get my winter gloves. This is Stay OK, the hotel. This is also an area where you can make nice walks in the forest. The long way. Big graveyard over here, funeral place. They'll be busy in this corona time. So now I'm riding next to the freeway, the A58, and in the next flyover I cross the freeway and go back on the other side. Big restaurant and motel here next to the freeway. I smell the cows. Yes, this is farmland. You can smell it. Petrol station along the freeway. And there you see the restaurant that I passed a few minutes ago. Here on the right is the funeral place where a lot of Canadian and British soldiers were buried in and after the Second World War. And every year then we have a Memorial Day in the Netherlands. Then we think of all the people who died in the war. And then there's always a ceremony over there. So now I'm almost in Bergen op Zoom, and from there on I'll go back home. If you're going straight on, you go to the old center of Bergen op Zoom, but I'm not. That big building over there, that's the Groeshof. That's where my oldest son and his wife used to live for a short while. And after that they moved more to the country. Oh, maybe it could be fun to ride a little while on the freeway, just to see how the camera holds. Normally I would go to the right here to go home, but now I go to the left to the gas station.